everyone and welcome to Kala Mandir. As you all know, Kala Mandir is a decade-old trusted brand and we do not compromise with our quality. Let me also tell you that Kala Mandir showrooms are located in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. I will also tell you the purchasing process of our saris. The first way is to take a screenshot of the sari or the sari code, send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299, or else just check the description box below for your favorite sari link. Press onto it and it will direct you to our main website. From there you can shop very easily. So today I am going to be presenting a very beautiful and pretty collection from Kala Mandir, that is Matka silk saris, which is at a great discount today, that is buy 3 saris for 2000 rupees and buy 1 sari for 1000 rupees. So let's not waste more time and continue. The beautiful blue sari that I am wearing, have a look at it closely. It's a light blue sari with little bit of abstract on the body. And then the border, which is contrasting in color. Pallu of the sari is completely covered with abstract work. Beautiful colors you can see on the sari, that is orange and pink, and also has tassels at the bottom. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CB545 and offer price is 1000 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Alright, so let's begin with the beautiful collection that we have here today. Matka silk saris and great discount for 24 hours. There you go. The next one. Orange colored sari. Again, it's covered with abstract prints only. Have a look at the body. Very less work on the body here. Diamond shaped buttis. A thread weaving work on the border of the sari. A woven design on the pallu. And tassels at the bottom of the pallu here. The blouse piece of the sari is plain and it is paired up with a border to it. So let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CB540 and offer price is 1000 rupees for 1 sari. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. Yes, as I see our lovely, beautiful viewers have already started pouring in comments here. We have Tarun saying, good morning, madam. A very good morning to you and welcome to our show. Then we have Veena and Prashanti saying, hi, good morning. Good morning to you too and welcome to this lovely live show with a beautiful collection here today. Let me tell you, the discount on the sari is amazing. It is buy 3 saris at 2000 rupees and buy 1 sari at 1000 rupees only. Alright, so I'll move on and show you the sari. For now, I have a lovely, beautiful color combination here of black, cream and red. Gorgeous color combination. Have a look at the work on the body. You can see leaf-shaped buttis on the body. Minimal work on the body, not too much. And then this amazing border here, contrasting in color, along with this contrast design and abstract design here. Let me show you the blouse piece. It's a woven design on the blouse piece. I beg your pardon, I called this the blouse piece. This is the pallu of the sari and it has woven design and contrasting color, like you can see in abstract print only. And it has tassels at the bottom of the pallu. Now I will show you the blouse piece, which is absolutely plain and is paired up with a border also to it. Have a look at it. It's a cream color border and this blouse piece goes extremely beautifully on this black sari. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is BH721 and offer price is 1000 rupees for 1 sari. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. Alright, let's see the next sari now. Very beautiful collection here. Amazing light-weighted saris. And up next is a royal blue color sari. Also, I will tell you, if you have any color request or you want to see your favorite color, let me know. I will show it to you from my collection if I have it. If not, what you can do is just put in a message on our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299, and we will get in touch with you, also show you your favorite color or collection. Alright, so yes, I was telling you that I'll show you a royal blue sari. Extremely sorry for that. I'll show you another color for now. That is a beautiful lemon yellow color, and it's paired up with orange. It's more like a sunset color. Beautiful sari coming up. Just stay tuned with us. So yes, the sari is right here. Sorry for the delay, and there you go. So yes, have a look at this sunset colored sari. Lovely thread work on the body. It's in floral shapes. Then you can see this border, which is completely thread woven, and you'll see animal prints here on the border. There's peacock, elephant and parrot design. And this is the pallu of the sari, which is completely woven and also has tassels at the bottom of the pallu. There you go. Have a look at the beautiful pallu on the sari. And then comes the blouse piece, which is plain, similar to the sari color, along with a border to it. Alright, let's see the pricing details. Sari code is BE114 and offer price 1000 rupees for one sari. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Alright, we have our viewers here. Seema saying hi ma'am. Then we have Banagri saying hello. And then Ashmita saying good morning. Very good morning to you all and welcome to our live show. I hope you enjoy this beautiful collection that we have for you all here today. And up next is a beautiful maroon color sari. Let me show it to you. Another combination of dark color with black. So check this out, maroon and black combination, plain body. Then the border of the sari is extremely beautiful. You'll see forest like print here, that is trees and deer pattern. Lovely thread work on the entire sari, the border of the sari, and as well as the pallu of the sari. Complete thread weaving work. And then these tassels at the bottom. Let me show you the blouse piece. Blouse piece is going to be extremely plain with a small border to it. Alright, a very beautiful combination of maroon and black. Let's see the pricing. Sari code is BE118. Offer price is 1000 rupees for one sari. To place an order, take a screenshot. Send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, let's see the next sari now. Beautiful cream sari coming up for you all, and it also has a little bit of abstract work on it. There you go. Beautiful cream sari, a very subtle color, yet it looks very pretty. Have a look at the body work. Diamond shaped buttis. Again, that's thread work. The border of the sari has abstract print in thread work. Pallu is completely woven. Beautiful colors you can see on the pallu. And this is all called abstract prints only, or geometric prints. Then we have the tassels at the bottom of the pallu. This is the blouse piece, plain in color and no design on it, along with a small border at the corner. Alright, let's see the pricing details. Sari code is BM710 and offer price 1000 rupees for one sari. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. So yes, let me also tell you all that we provide video calling facility. So in case you want to see your favorite collection or want to shop with us, what you can do is put in a message on our WhatsApp number, request for a video call facility, and we will get in touch with you, also show you your favorite colored sari or your favorite collection. Alright, so for now I'm showing you Matka silk saris, which is at a great discount today. That is, buy 3 saris for 2000 rupees and buy 1 sari for 1000 rupees. Okay, so let's get in touch with you all. We have Ashmita Achu here saying good morning, and then we have Geeta Rani. All right, we'll just scroll up a little bit and see who all are there today with us. We have Geeta Rani saying hi ma'am. Poonam says hi again. Avantika Jadhav saying hi, good morning. A very good morning to you all, and thank you for tuning into our show today. We have Shobha, good morning. Very good morning to you. Then Rasmi Mai saying beautiful. Thank you so much for your amazing feedback. And we have Avantika saying I always try booking but never get the sari. Well, I'm extremely sorry that this has happened with you. But what we will do is we'll get in touch with you directly. So do check your inbox once. Okay, we have Banagiri asking how to order sari, and ma'am please show pink sari. Alright, if we have a pink one, I'll definitely show it to you. And for someone asking how to order, let me tell you, if you like the sari that I'm wearing, okay, for example, take a screenshot of the sari or the sari code whenever I show it and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. Very easy, nothing too much to do on it. So for now, I'll move on to the next sari, and it's a beautiful yellow color sari with pink combination, and I'll just get back in touch. So there you go, beautiful work on the body of this entire sari, that is parrot design. And as you can see, it's a combination of multiple colors here, that is pink, blue, yellow. Have a look at the border of the sari, extremely beautiful. You can see thread work on the entire border along with parrot design. Pallu of the sari is contrasting in color, completely thread weaving work. And tassels, as you can see. A very beautiful color to the sari, and this is the blouse piece that goes with the sari, contrasting in color and absolutely plain. Let's see the pricing details. Sari code is BE111 and offer price is 1000 rupees for one sari. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. So yes, to all my viewers, do you know how to follow our social media handle? If not, go check out this video and I will be right back.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Welcome back everybody, and let me continue presenting to you this beautiful collection that we have from Kala Mandir, that is called Matka Silk Sari at a great deal today, that is buy 3 saris at 2000 rupees and buy 1 sari for 1000 rupees. Also, let me tell you that we have recently launched a new store which had a grand opening, and it's at Kasba Bazaar, Khammam, Telangana. So I will request all our Khammam viewers and customers to please go and start shopping with us. That is Kasba Bazaar, Khammam, Telangana. Also, as you all know, Pongal is around the corner. So start shopping soon with us. We are giving great deals all throughout the year. Alright, so next sari that I am holding on to is a beautiful mustard colored sari. It's a very dark shade of mustard. Have a look at it. It's absolutely plain. The entire body is plain. Border of the sari has a bit of thread weaving work. It's a off-white thread weaving work going on the entire border. Then we have the pallu, which is completely thread woven, and you can see certain designs also on it. Then this is the tassels at the bottom of the pallu, black in color, makes the sari look very pretty. And then this is the blouse piece of the sari, which is plain along with stripes on it. Alright, similar color blouse piece, and let's have a look at the pricing details now. Sari code is BD633 and offer price is 1000 rupees for one sari. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. Alright, let's move on and see some more saris while I request you to pour in some comments for us. As in, if you have a favorite colored sari here, I'll show it to you. If not, what you need to do is get in touch with us through WhatsApp, that is 9852985299. So yes, let's just reply to few viewers here. Lata Golab saying, ma'am, good morning, beautiful collection of Kala Mandir. Thank you so much for putting in such valuable and amazing feedback for us. Then we have Radhika saying, maroon sari is very nice. Kala Mandir always comes up with super cool collection. Thank you so much that you find our collection super cool, and I can assure you that we also give the bestest of quality. Alright, then we have Chaitanya saying, hi ma'am, a very hello to you and welcome to our show. And then we have Neelam Sai Pandey saying today's collections really awesome. Thank you so much. Such great comments we have today. Love to read such wonderful messages from you all. Then we have Shakuntala saying hi to us. Very hello to you and welcome to our show. Gayatri, Pallavi and Soni Jha saying hello and nice collection. Thank you so much you all. You are definitely making my day fantastic. Let me make your day also fantastic by showing you this amazing collection we have today. There you go, the next sari, beautiful pink sari, very trendy collection, plain body. Then you have abstract print going on the border of the sari. And you can see multiple color, yellow, blue, pink. Somebody requested for a pink sari. There you go, this is a beautiful shade of pink in combination with multiple colors. Check out the pallu. Contrasting in color and completely thread weaving work done on it. And this is the bottom of the pallu along with tassels on it. And there you go for the blouse piece. Contrasting in color, plain along with a border to it. Let's have a look at the pricing details. Sari code is CE344 and offer price is 1000 rupees for one sari. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, let's move on, and we have Swati P. Amar here, how to order please. So let me repeat once again, if you wish to purchase the saris that I'm showing through the live show, what you can do is take a screenshot of the sari or the sari code and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299, or else note down the sari code and check out the description box below. You will find the sari codes there. Press onto it and it will direct you to our main website. From there you can shop very easily too. Alright, for now the next sari, lovely green sari here in combination of pink and a little bit of blue also you can see on this sari. Motifs on the entire body of the sari, and there you go. The border, beautiful border of the sari with parsley designs and temple designs here, and this is in blue color. Then we have the pallu of the sari that is contrasting in color, and you will see thread weaving work on it, multiple colors again. Tassels at the bottom, and this is the blouse piece for this sari, contrasting in color, and just a border to it, a very small border. Let's see the pricing details. Sari code is BD632 and offer price is 1000 rupees for one sari. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Alright, so we have Sirisha here saying good morning, nice saris, thank you so much. And we have Neelam Sai Pandey saying, I bought 3 awesome saris in offer and all are just awesome. Thank you so much, and I'm so glad you loved our saris. So I will only request you to keep shopping with Kala Mandir all the time. And then we have Pallavi, मेरे साथ भी ऐसा होता है. तो मैम आप शायद इस बारे में बोल रहे हैं कि आपका ऑर्डर प्लेस नहीं हो पाया है, तो मैं आप लोगों को आप सबको फिर से बता दूं कि अगर आपको हमारी सारी जो हम लाइव में दिखा रहे हैं पर्टिकुलर कलर की पसंद आ जाए तो उस साड़ी की तस्वीर खींच लीजिए या स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन पर ही, और उसी सेम स्क्रीनशॉट को हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे शेयर कीजिए जो कि है 9852985299, एंड फिर हम आपका ऑर्डर प्लेस कर देंगे, ऑल्सो हम आपके साथ जुड़ जाएंगे. Then we have Preeti Khandelwal saying, hello ma'am, good morning. A very hello to you and good morning to you too. Also, please start placing your orders soon. Alright, so we have Kusuma there saying, hi, is the sari available in Vizag Kala Mandir? So ma'am, I am not really sure of that right now, but what I will do is I will ask our technical team to get in touch with you and clarify your doubts on this, alright? What you can do is alternatively get in touch with us on our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299, and from there also we can show you your favorite collection, or you can place order through that mode also. Then we have Usha and Padma saying good morning to me. Very good morning to the both of you also, and I hope you enjoy this collection. For now, I'll move on and show you some more beautiful sarees. We have here Matka silk sarees at a great deal today. Check out this lovely yellow color saree I'm holding on to. You'll see plain body on this saree. Then we have here beautiful abstract work going on the border of the saree. You'll see multiple colors on this. Amazing saree, very trendy, extremely trendy saree, too much in trend right now. Have a look at the pallu, contrasting again, and complete thread weaving work done on it. This is the bottom of the pallu, which has tassels on it. And then we have the blouse piece, gorgeous blouse piece, lovely shade of blue, plain with a border to it. Let's check out the pricing details now. Sari code is BE861 and offer price is 1000 rupees for one sari. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. Alright, as a reminder, let me tell you all that we also provide video calling facilities. So if you need to get in touch with us to check out your favorite collection, what you can do is drop in a message on our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. Also, we provide free shipping and cash on delivery all throughout India. Alright, so let's move on and see the next sari. Very amazing collection here today, and absolutely thrilled to show you all. Lovely, gorgeous color combinations here, and this absolutely stunning sari. Plain body, but has small booties in thread work. Then we have the border of the sari with temple design and diamond design here. Again, thread weaving work only. Pallu of the sari, thread woven, and you'll see peacock design on it. Tassels at the bottom of the pallu, and this is the blouse piece for the sari, similar in color along with similar border also. Let's see the pricing details. Sari code BV47, offer price 1000 rupees for one sari. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, I am extremely excited to share with you all that we have recently launched a new store, and it had a very grand opening, that is in Kasba Bazar, Khammam, Telangana. I will request all our Khammam viewers and customers to please go and start shopping with us in our amazing grand store there. Also, we provide free shipping and cash on delivery, so start placing your orders soon. Alright, let's move on and see the next sari, another of a yellow and pink combination here. There you go. Beautiful sari, minimal work and yet very elegant. Have a look at it closely. The body is completely covered with florals, not too prominent. Then we have the border here again, leaf shaped work on it in thread weaving work. A woven design on the pallu of the sari. Multiple floral work you can see on it. And then tassels at the bottom of the sari. And to go with this sari, we have a blouse piece that is contrasting in color along with a border to it. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is BE854 and offer price 1000 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, we have our beautiful viewers here named Rajni Tiwari. Very beautiful collection. Thank you so much, ma'am. Then we have Rekha saying hello to us. A very hello to you and welcome to our show. Then we have Rasmi Mai asking COD available in Orissa. Yes, very much available. COD and free shipping is available all throughout India, so you can shop from anywhere you want. We have Pallavi Oza saying beautiful collection. Thank you so much, ma'am. And we have Anju Rai saying beautiful sari. So thank you. I'm absolutely amazed that you all are watching our early morning show and pouring in such beautiful messages for us. I hope your day is as beautiful as you all are, and your comments too. Then we have Kavita Atri saying hi, a very hello to you, and we have Anita saying please show more collections. So yes, ma'am, on daily basis we show a lot of saris and a lot of collections. For that, all you need to do is go to YouTube, subscribe to our channel under the name Kala Mandir. Also, you can check out a wide collection from our YouTube channel also, as well as Facebook. Then we have Ankita again saying one sari 200 rupees. Okay, I will tell you the discount on this sari. Again, you can buy 3 saris for 2000 rupees and buy 1 sari for 1000 rupees. Then we have more viewers here. Ananya saying hi, ma'am, you're looking gorgeous. Thank you so much, Ananya. It's such a beautiful comment from you. Then we have Purnima. Hi, madam, beautiful collection you had, but when I placed order I did not get same sari. Ma'am, I am extremely sorry that you had a bad experience with us, but what we can do is I'll request my technical team to get in touch with you, or just put in a feedback on our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. From there we'll do the rectification. Alright, and I'm so sorry that you had to face something bad like this. Then we have Anita. Do you have any other color in this yellow sari? So I will have to check if I have more shades of yellow. If I'm not able to show it now, what you need to do is get in touch with us on our WhatsApp number. Also, we have Ankita again saying, please, Maheshri, sari, please show. All right. So, ma'am, right now I am showing matka silk saris. So, I'll have to continue with the same saris. But what you can do is stay tuned with our live shows on daily basis. And we keep showing amazing collections here. Also, you can go to YouTube also and check out our various collections from there. Alright. We have Sai Laja saying, very nice. Thank you so much, ma'am, for this beautiful comments. So yes, I will get in touch with you all shortly. For now, I will show you some more beautiful saris that I have here. Lovely navy blue color in red combination. Check this out. Have a look at the body of the sari. It has animal prints on it. This is a soft matka silk sari, plain body, but has minimal work of animal prints on it. And this is the border of the sari. You will see animal designs again, along with abstract design in thread work only. Alright, this is all red and blue combination. Then we have the pallu of the sari, which is thread weaving design again. Lovely work going on the sari. Entire sari, in fact, is a very beautiful piece with tassels at the bottom of the pallu. And then this is the blouse piece of the sari along with a border to it. Let's have a look at the pricing details now. Sari code is BV187 and offer price is 1000 rupees for one sari. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So let's move on. See the next sari now. Another of a green sari, very beautiful color, and has lovely yellow mustard combination in it. There you go. Like I told you, it's a very beautiful sari. Have a look at it. Plain sari with a gorgeous border to it. Then we have this border. You can see abstract design on it in cream and mustard color. pallu is complete thread weaving work and has tassels at the bottom. And this is the blouse piece. For a change, the blouse piece is covered with thread weaving work and has abstract design on it. There you go, contrasting blouse piece. Let's check out the pricing. Sari code is BM714, offer price 1000 rupees for one sari. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, to all my viewers, do you know how to follow our social media handle? If not, go check out this video and I will be right back.
Step into the world of beautiful, exquisite saris close to our heart. Don't forget to follow the everyday live shows on the Instagram and Facebook pages.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Welcome back everybody, and let me continue presenting to you this gorgeous collection from Kala Mandir that is called Soft Matka Silk Saris. And let me tell you the deal on all the saris from this live show. It is buy 3 saris at 2000 rupees and buy 1 sari for 1000 rupees. Alright, so to everyone asking about the pricing, let me tell you that all the saris, if you buy 1 sari, it is 1000 rupees. Buy 3 saris at 2000 rupees. So let's continue with the sari, the one that I'm holding on to, a pencil grey colored sari with stripes here you can see on the body, but it's not too evident. It is a very light work of stripes. And then this is the border of the sari, contrasting in color along with this temple design here. Pallu of the sari is contrasting in color along with thread weaving work. And then you can see the tassels at the bottom. And to go with the sari, we have a plain blouse piece similar to the sari and a border to it. Okay, so let's check out the pricing details now. Sari code is BN258, offer price 1000 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Alright, moving on and seeing the next sari. I have an amazing collection here today. Very beautiful saris and at such less cost. I'm sure you want to buy a lot of saris, so start placing your orders soon. There you go. Next sari is light peach color with blue color combination. Have a look at the body. Elephant prints you can see on it. Have a look at the border. Bit of temple design here and then abstract work along with the same elephant design. Pallu of the sari is completely thread woven. And this is the tassels which is at the bottom of the pallu. Let me show you the blouse piece. Blouse piece is absolutely plain and a similar color to the border of the sari, contrasting in color. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is BE875. Offer price is 1000 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, we have Neelam Sai here. Wow, its work is really so beautiful. Thank you so much that you love our saris. And then we have Ankita saying please yellow and pink color combination. So मैम मैंने इस शो के शुरुआत में ही काफ़ी येलो और पिंक कॉम्बिनेशन दिखा दिए हैं. तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं कि जैसे लाइव शो ख़त्म हो जाता है आप फिर से रिवाइंड करके फिर से देख सकते हैं. हमारी सारी वीडियोस जो हैं यूट्यूब पर और फेसबुक पर सेव रहते हैं लाइव सेक्शन के नीचे. तो आप हमारे सारे कलेक्शंस भी देख सकते हैं, वीडियोस भी देख सकते हैं. Then we have Avantika saying 2 saris 2000 and 1 for 2000. No problem at all, it's okay. Then we have ओके अंकिता, प्लीज़ योर साड़ी। सो मैम, ये अगर आप मेरी साड़ी ख़रीदना चाहें तो इसकी प्राइसिंग भी सेम ही है। अगर आप 2 साड़ी ख़रीदते हैं तो आपको वो 3000 सॉरी 3 साड़ी ख़रीदते हैं तो 2000 में मिलता है, 1 साड़ी ख़रीदेंगे तो 1000 में मिलेगा। तो इसकी प्राइसिंग भी सेम है 1000 रुपीज़। यदि आप ये ख़रीदना चाहें तो इसी का स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए और हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे भेज दीजिए। देन वी हैव श्रुतिका सेइंग नेट साड़ीज़ प्लीज़। सो मैम आई एम वेरी सॉरी, आज हम नेट साड़ीज़ नहीं दिखा रहे हैं, आज मैं मटका सिल्क साड़ीज़ दिखा रही हूँ। और अगर आप नेट साड़ीज़ देखना चाहें तो हमारे फैंसी साड़ी कलेक्शन के अंडर में आते हैं, तो आप यूट्यूब पे ज़रूर चेक कर सकते हैं। सो देन वी हैव पवित्रा सेइंग हाई एंड अपेक्षा सेइंग प्लीज़ चेक पिन मैसेज 1 साड़ी एट 2000 रुपीज़। Okay, I'm sorry, there must be a mistake done by the technical team, but what I will tell you again is you can buy 3 sarees at 2000 rupees and buy 1 saree at 1000 rupees. Then that is the correct discount for today. I think there has been a mistake on from our side, so I apologize for that. सो येस वी हैव नीलम सेइंग वाओ, पहली बार हिंदी बोलकर एक्सप्लेन किया आपने, बहुत अच्छा लगा, थैंक यू सो मच। और अगर आप चाहें कि मैं आपको हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करूं तो प्लीज़ ये फीडबैक हमें ज़रूर डालते रहे, ताकि हमें भी पता चले कि हमें हिंदी में करना है शो या इंग्लिश में करना है। तो ठीक है, लेट्स मूव आउट एंड सी सम मोर साड़ीज एंड आई जस्ट गेट इन टच विथ यू ऑल राइट। तो ये है हमारी अगली साड़ी जो कि है क्रीम कलर में, एंड इस पे आप देख सकते हैं पैरेट प्रिंट्स जो कि है रेड थ्रेड वीविंग वर्क। फिर आती है इसकी बॉर्डर जो कि है मल्टीपल कलर्स में, काफ़ी कलर्स यहाँ देख सकते हैं आप, रेड है, ग्रीन है और क्रीम कॉम्बिनेशन में है ये साड़ी। फिर आती है इस साड़ी की पल्लू जो कि है कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर में, आप सेम बॉर्डर का वर्क पल्लू पर भी देख सकते हैं। और फिर टैजल्स एंड इसकी ब्लाउज पीस है कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर में जो कि है रेड कलर और बहुत प्यारी लगती है इस क्रीम साड़ी के साथ। एक बार प्राइसिंग डिटेल्स देख लें। साड़ी कोड BE110 ऑफ अ प्राइस 1000 रुपीज़। टू प्लेस एन ऑर्डर टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट एंड send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, let's see the next sari here, a very beautiful black and cream combination I have for you, and it has lovely work going on the entire body and the pallu as well. So here it is. There you go. So I told you it's a very beautiful combination of black and cream. Have a look at the body. Elephant and peacock design. And then you will see the border which is peacock design and abstract design. Little bit of florals here too. Lotus design here. Pallu, complete thread weaving work. And then tassels at the bottom. And then we have the blouse piece, plain blouse piece along with a border to it. Lovely combination of black and cream. Let's see the pricing. Sari code CB546 of a price 1000 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, we have a viewer here named Vandana Goyal asking about the weight of the साड़ी। तो मैम मैं आपको बता दूं कि ये जो साड़ी है बहुत लाइट वेट साड़ीज़ है, क्योंकि ये एक सिल्क साड़ी का टाइप है। तो ऑब्वियसली सिल्क साड़ी ज़रा हल्के से ही होते हैं, उतनी ज़्यादा हैवी तो होती नहीं है, तो ये साड़ी भी उतनी ही हल्की है। ऑलराइट, सो अब मैं आपको दूसरी साड़ी दिखा दूं जो कि है अगेन ब्लैक एंड क्रीम कॉम्बिनेशन। और इस साड़ी पर आप थोड़ा अलग डिज़ाइन पाएंगे। फ्लोरल्स देख सकते हैं आप इस साड़ी के ऊपर, क्रीम और ब्लैक कॉम्बिनेशन में। फिर आता है इसका बॉर्डर जो कि है डॉट डिज़ाइंस और फ्लोरल डिज़ाइन, एंड ये पूरा का पूरा थ्रेड वीविंग वर्क में ही किया गया है। नाउ दिस इज द पल्लू, और इस पल्लू पर भी आप पाएंगे थ्रेड वीविंग वर्क जो कि है पैरेट डिज़ाइन एंड पीकॉक डिज़ाइन में। अब इसकी ब्लाउज पीस देख लें हम, कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग ब्लाउज पीस, और इस पूरी ब्लाउज पीस पर आप पैटर्न पाएंगे। तो हम एक बार प्राइसिंग डिटेल्स देख लें। साड़ी कोड BE112 and offer price 1000 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Let's move on and see some more sarees. Lovely red colored saree coming up for you in cream combination. There you go. A very beautiful saree and with a very lovely color combination also to this saree. Check this out. Plain body, absolutely plain, no work on it. Then you can see the border of the saree, which has parsley design here and some abstract design, diamond design as well. And this is all thread weaving work. So then we have the pallu of the saree, which is thread woven again. And this is the blouse piece to this saree, which is a bit of sheer and has plain color on it along with stripes. There you go. Let me show you the pricing details. Saree code is BN260 and offer price 1000 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So then we have Ramya Rajesh saying hi, 3000 rupees sarees photo. So ma'am, the thing is, all these sarees are at 1000 rupees only if you buy one, but if you buy three sarees, that is at 2000 rupees. All right, three sarees for 2000 rupees and one saree for 1000 rupees. That is the deal on today's sarees. So we have Pavitra GK here who says पोचमपल्ली साड़ी दिखाओ। तो मैम आज मैं आपको मटका सिल्क साड़ीज़ दिखा रही हूँ इस लाइव शो में, और मेरी सारी कलेक्शन मटका सिल्क साड़ी की ही है। पर अगर आप पोचमपल्ली साड़ीज़ देखना चाहें तो हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पे ज़रूर जाइए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। वहाँ से आप अन्य प्रकार के वीडियोस देख सकते हैं या फिर वीडियो कॉलिंग फैसिलिटी पर भी देख सकते हैं। तो उसके लिए आपको बस इतना करना है कि हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे मैसेज डाल दीजिए, जो कि है 9852985299। ऑलराइट, अब हम दूसरी साड़ी देख लेते हैं। एंड दिस इज़ अनदर ऑफ अ सिमिलर साड़ी दैट आई हैव शोन यू, क्रीम एंड मरून कॉम्बिनेशन दिस टाइम। So you will also see animal prints on the body of the saree. Then we have the border of the saree, which is again contrasting in color and parrot design and abstract design on it. Pallu is contrasting in color. And contrasting blouse piece to go with this saree. Let's check out the pricing details. Saree code is BE110, offer price 1000 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, let me tell all my viewers that you can follow us on all our social media handles, that is YouTube under the name Kala Mandir, Facebook under the name Kala Mandir, and on Instagram it is Kala Mandir Fashions. You can check out our IGTV videos there. Alright, so right now I'll move on and show you a fantastic combination of red and black, absolutely loved by everybody. Black and red combination, check this out, very trendy saree. Then we have the body here, which is, you know, plain, and then you have minimal work of floral design on it in thread weaving work, and you see the border contrasting in color, thread weaving work. And then this is the pallu of the saree, which has circular designs on it and tassels at the bottom. So this is the blouse piece, black in color, contrasting, and has a border to it as well. Goes very beautifully on the saree. Let me show you the pricing details. Saree code is BV49 and offer price is 1000 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So let's move on and see some more sarees here. Beautiful blue color saree coming up for you all. and this is in combination of pink. So there you go. Plain body, sky blue colored sari, and abstract and contrasting in color you can see on the border. And this is all thread weaving work only on the entire sari. Pallu is completely thread woven, and here goes the blouse piece on the sari, border to it and contrasting in color. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is BV203 and offer price is 1000 rupees. To place an order for this blue sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, we have नीलम saying हिंदी की वजह से ज़्यादा लोग जुड़ पाएंगे इस लाइव शो से. तो जी मैम, मैं इस बात को ध्यान में रखूँगी और हमारे शोज़ हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ट्राई करेंगे कि हम हिंदी में ही करें ताकि हमारे व्यूअर्स को भी कंफर्टेबल लगे. Then yes, Neelam we have again who says wow, really so beautiful in black. Absolutely, I agree with you. Black sari looks really beautiful. So please start placing orders for the sari soon. And then we have Shrutika saying you are beautiful. Thank you so much for your lovely comments. You just made my day even more beautiful. So then we have Meenakshi saying can you show the mustard color sari? Alright, I just showed a mustard color sari some time ago. If you wish to purchase the same sari, just take a screenshot and send it to us. Then we have Jaya saying very beautiful sari. Thank you so much ma'am. We have Avantika again saying nice Hindi also, nice collection. Thank you so much. Lovely comments. Vandana is saying इसका फैब्रिक सॉफ्ट है. जी मैम, फैब्रिक एब्सोल्युटली एकदम ही सॉफ्ट है, तो इसमें कोई चिंता की बात नहीं है. और आप एक काम कर सकते हैं, हमारे साथ वीडियो कॉल पर जुड़ जाएं ताकि हम आपको पर्सनली ये साड़ीज़ दिखा सकें. सो यस, to all of the viewers who are asking about the discount pricing, extremely sorry for that. Something wrong with the technical side here, so I hope the changes are done and you're comfortable now. And we have Radha saying hi, and Neelam says now it's okay, I told you this at the start of the live but you didn't get my message. Okay, I'm sorry for that. And then we have Avantika saying ma'am, you didn't take our name. Avantika ji, I'm so sorry if I missed out on your name. I'm so glad that you know I keep seeing your name all the time on our live show and you keep pouring in comments for us. So very sorry for that. Then we have Radha saying good morning, a very good morning to you. And yes, I will get in touch with you all shortly. For now, let me show you some more beautiful saris that I have here. Yes, another of a beautiful red sari. Okay, absolute Indian red colored sari, plain and has diamond thread buttis on the body. Then we have the border here which has abstract work going on it. Now this is again multiple color that you can see on the border of the sari. Then this is the pallu of the sari, which is again covered with thread weaving work and multiple colors here also. And I hope you can see the tassels at the bottom of the sari. Very pretty the tassels make the sari look. And this is the blouse piece now, which is similar to the sari color and has a border also to it. Let me show you the pricing details. Sari code is BK982 and offer price is 1000 rupees. To place an order for the sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Alright, we have few more pieces to go from a beautiful shelf collection here, and then I will show you the mannequin pieces. Also, let me tell you that free shipping and COD is available all throughout India. Okay, so yes, the next sari here, cream color sari and abstract work on the border. The body of the sari is kind of plain. Then you can see the border here, abstract work like I told you, multiple colors, blue and red. Then we have the pallu of the sari, which is totally thread weaving work and abstract work on it. tassels at the bottom, and then this is the blouse piece, which is contrasting in color, and you can make such trendy blouses out of these blouse pieces to go with this beautiful trendy sari. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CB557. Offer price is 1000 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852 So we have Neelam again saying, wow, 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 I just love this red and black combination sari. Thank you so much. I'm so glad you love this sari. I loved it too. And then we have Swati here saying, you wear blue sari. Price please. So let me tell you again, price of the sari is 1000 rupees if you buy one, and if you buy 3 saris you can get it for 2000 rupees. And let me show you the sari code for my sari. So to all the viewers who are asking about the sari that I am wearing, the blue sari, this is the pricing details. Have a look at it and take a screenshot please. Sari code CB545 and offer price is 1000 rupees for one sari. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852 So let me tell you all the offer again. You can buy 3 saris at 2000 rupees and you can buy 1 sari for 1000 rupees. Very simple offer and great discount on this collection today. So let's move on and see the next sari, and I'll also get in touch with you all. We have a mehndi green sari here. Lovely color combination of mehndi green, blue and pink. Have a look closely. You can see a plain body on this sari, but a very beautiful border. A strip of thread weaving work, plain thread weaving work. Then you have elephant and tree designs here as well. Pallu of the sari is completely thread woven, and this beautiful tassels at the bottom of the pallu. And to go with the sari, we have a blouse piece that is contrasting in color and has a beautiful border to it. Let's have a look at the pricing details. Sari code is CE341 and offer price is 1000 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852 So we have our regular viewer here named Shanti. Hi, good morning ma'am. A very good morning to you. Then Lata Suresh asking for sari details. So ma'am, मैंने एक बार फिर से सारी डिटेल्स दिखा दिया था, तो आप अगर हल्का सा रिवाइंड कर दें आपको फिर से देखने मिल जाएगा, या फिर हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे मैसेज कर दीजिए इस सारी की तस्वीर लेकर. Then we have Neelam saying, hey, I am not Neelam Singh. Oh, I'm so sorry, Miss Neelam Pandey, I'm so sorry. We have Ravi Kiran saying hi and Suchitra saying good morning. A very hello to you and good morning. Then yes, we have Avantika Jadhav saying I'm happy. All right, beautiful, lovely comments from everyone today. So good to see you all. So happy with our beautiful collection also. And do not forget the amazing discount on our saris. That is only for 24 hours. All right. So here is another of a cream sari with red combination, and this time we have peacock design on the body. So then we have the border of the sari which is completely covered in florals, contrasting color with peacock design in between. Also you'll see a bit of temple design here. This is the pallu of the sari which is completely thread weaving work, and then tassels at the bottom. So yes, this is the blouse piece now, contrasting in color, very beautiful combination of cream and red, goes very beautifully on the sari also. Let me show you the pricing details. Sari code BV185 and offer price is 1000 rupees for one sari. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852 So yes, let me remind you all again that we provide video calling facility. So अगर आप हमारे शो में आपकी पसंद का साड़ी नहीं देख पा रहे हैं फ़िलहाल, तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं कि हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे एक मैसेज डाल दीजिए बस, एंड वहाँ से हम आपकी वीडियो कॉलिंग अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करके आपसे जुड़ जाएंगे. So we have Swati saying, do you have in this color? So I will request Swati मैम प्लीज़ आप एक बार कलर रिक्वेस्ट ज़रूर डाल दीजिए, अगर है तो मैं आपको दिखा दूँगी. Then we have Gaurama Srinivas saying, hi, good morning, so good to see you again, very welcome to our show. Then we have Vijay Lata saying, nice collection, thank you so much. And again Abhi Arun saying, beautiful collection. And Chaitanya also saying, beautiful saris, thank you so much. I know these saris are extremely beautiful, also at a great deal today, which is buy 3 saris at 2000 rupees and buy 1 sari for 1000 rupees. Alright, so we have Abhi Arun saying, hi ma'am, you look cute and beautiful collections from Kala Mandir. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments to us. Also keep shopping with us all the time. So up next is another of a peach and blue combination. I have shown you a similar sari before, but have a look closely at the pattern on the body. Parrot design, you can see royal blue color thread weaving work, and this is the border of the sari, which is completely covered in thread work, that is royal blue in color, along with temple design. Then you can see the pallu of the sari, which is thread woven completely, along with tassels at the bottom of the pallu. Then we have the blouse piece contrasting in color, similar to the border, same color, and goes very beautifully on this sari. Let's check out the pricing details now. Sari code is BJ881 and offer price is 1000 rupees for 1 sari. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, moving on and seeing the next sari, one more cream color sari coming up for you all. We have Rasmi Mai saying, nice collection, thank you so much. And then we have Shanta saying, I want the sari. So yes, to Miss Shanta, let me tell you, if you wish to purchase any particular sari, what you can do is take a screenshot on your mobile phone itself of the sari that you like and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. From there you can shop very easily. Then we have Ankita Snehal saying, कितने दिन में साड़ी हमारे पास आती है? तो मैम ये एक दिन में भी आ सकती है या फिर हम एक हफ्ता भी ले सकते हैं, डिपेंडिंग ऑन आप कहाँ रहते हो. तो जी आपका लोकेशन हमारे साथ शेयर कर दीजिएगा हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे, उस हिसाब से मैं आपको बता सकती हूँ कि कितना टाइम लग सकता है साड़ी के लिए. Then we have Shraddha Patak saying, hi, good morning, and Pratibha Patil saying, good morning, very beautiful collection. Thank you so much to the two of you. And then we have Lata Suresh saying, wow, very nice sarees, ma'am. Thank you so much. I'm very happy that you all are loving this collection. Also, if you love it so much, start placing orders also soon, alright? So next saree, like I told you, cream color saree in red combination. I have shown you similar saris before, but it all has different animal prints on the body or different color combinations. Now this is a cream and red one. You can see elephant design. Then you can see the contrasting border on this sari, which is red in color with elephant design and temple design here. Now for the pallu of the sari, again red in color, all thread weaving work done on it and tassels at the bottom. Also the blouse piece is contrasting in color. Okay, let's see the pricing. Sari code is BE113 and offer price is 1000 rupees for 1 sari. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So we have Lata Suresh here saying pink sari. Okay, request for pink sari. I have shown a lot of pink saris in the beginning of the show, so if I may please request you to just rewind little bit and see the video again, you will see all the pink saris that I have shown. Then we have, okay, next sari. I will just get in touch with you all. Let me first show you the beautiful collection that I have here today. Absolutely light-weighted sari, lovely color of lavender here with a combination of dark blue. Then you can see the border of the sari, which is floral work going on here, and this is all print, by the way. Here you can see all print work. Then now for the pallu, print work again. And now you can see tassels at the bottom. Tassels at the bottom. Now this is the blouse piece of the sari, contrasting in color, and it's absolutely plain, goes very beautifully on this trendy sari. Let me show you the pricing details. Sari code is AJ487 and offer price is 1000 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Alright, let's move on and see the next sari. For now, we have Rubina Azam saying, Dear, you didn't answer my question. Ma'am, Ms. Rubina, I'm very sorry that I had not answered your question. Can you please ask the same question once again so that I know what you exactly were talking about? For now, I will show you the next sari here. Very beautiful blue color sari, absolutely plain with thread weaving work on it. Little bit of buttis that you can see on the body makes the sari look very pretty. Thread weaving work only. And then this is the border, thread weaving work again, multiple color. And now for the pallu of the sari, which is again woven work and tassels at the bottom. And to go with the sari, we have a plain blouse piece with a small border here. Alright, let's see the pricing. Sari code is CB553, offer price 1000 rupees, and to place an order for this sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Alright, and seeing the next sari, I have a very gorgeous emerald green color sari coming up for you all. Till then, we have Neelam Sai Pandey again saying, with your every sari you're showing, I'm saying, wow, just beautiful. I'm very sure because this sari collection is absolutely stunning, and also let me assure you all, quality is superb, and the sari weight is also very light, so you can wear it all throughout the day also. We have Asha Prakash here saying hi, hello to you and welcome to our show, ma'am. We have Sumati Robert here saying hi again, a very hello to you, and once again welcome to our show. Gayatri here is asking, it's blur. Ma'am, I think that may be due to network connection. If you can just re-watch the video once again, maybe you will see it in better clarity. Then we have Jaya saying, can you show green color? Yes, I have a lovely green sari here waiting for you. Amazing emerald green color sari, stunning color with little work that you can see on the body is all floral thread work. Then you can see the border, which is again thread work and cream in color. Very beautiful combination of green and cream. This is the pallu of the sari. You can see abstract design here. Again thread work. And bottom of the pallu is all tassels only. Very beautiful. Let me show you the blouse piece, slightly different from all the saris that I've been showing. All thread weaving work done on the entire blouse piece. Okay, let's see the pricing details. Sari code CE342 and offer price 1000 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Alright, so moving on and seeing some more gorgeous saris here that I have for you all. Few more pieces left, after which I'll show you the mannequin pieces. Amazing collection today. Another of a cream sari, but different design. Plain body you can see. And then we have the border, which is completely covered with abstract design in multiple colors here, grey and red, that you can see. Now we have the pallu of the sari, which is again completely thread woven work and tassels at the bottom. And this is the blouse piece to this gorgeous sari. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is C343 and offer price is 1000 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. We have Shravanti Sidhu here saying hi and thank you so much for tuning into our show, and also very hello to you. I hope you're enjoying this collection. And then we have Gayatri saying now clear. So great, and continue seeing the good sarees that I have for you all today. Also, we have Shweta Pradeep saying, year in Dhamaka offer. Thank you, Kalamandir. Hope I will get my 3 sarees. Yes, definitely you will get your 3 sarees. And thank you for shopping with us during the year-end sale. We have given out amazing discount of 60% that time. And also, we keep giving out discounts all throughout the year. So, you all need not worry about, getting discounts on our sarees. You can get it any time of the year. We have Sandhya Hebbar saying, hi, I select 3 sarees. How can I purchase? COD is available. Yes, let me tell you the purchasing process first. Whatever saree that you like, please take a screenshot of the saree or the saree code when I show it in the tab and send that to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. From there, we will place your order. And yes, COD is available all over India, also free shipping, ma'am. Okay, so now let's move on and see the next saree that I have for you all. Lovely pencil grey saree in red and cream combination. There you go. Minimal work you can see on the body of florals in thread weaving. Then this is temple design on the border. And now is the pallu. Again thread weaving. Tassels at the bottom. And then we have this plain red blouse piece, another of a beautiful red and grey combination. Let's see the pricing details. Sari code BV192 and offer price 1000 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Alright, so this was the last sari from our shelf collection, after which I said I will show you our mannequin pieces. So let us move along and see the third last piece, that is a beautiful mannequin collection here. Mustard color sari as requested by somebody. One of our beautiful viewer who requested for mustard sari. Have a look at it. Body has thread weaving buttis on it, and then you can see the border which has abstract print, again in thread weaving work. A thread woven pallu on this sari and plain blouse piece with a border to it. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CB539, offer price 1000 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So alright, let's move on seeing, and let's see the second last piece that I have for you all here today. Beautiful collection of Matka silk sari, and here is a pink sari for you all. You can see minimal work on the body of thread design. Then the border has abstract work in thread design again. Pallu of the sari will be completely thread woven. Blouse piece is plain with a border to it. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CB552 and offer price is 1000 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Alright, so let's move on and see the last sari that I have for you all today. Okay, so this happens to be the last sari. The pink sari that you all are seeing is the last sari from this show today. Very beautiful pink sari here, and I hope you all enjoyed our collection from today, which is Matka silk sari, priced at a great deal today, that is buy 3 saris for 2000 rupees, buy 1 sari for 1000 rupees. Also, I will get back to you all with yet another great collection from Kalamandir with great discounts too. Till then, stay tuned with us. This is Kartika signing off.
హాయ్ అండి, నేను మీ సునంద. మన ఇంట్లో జరిగే ప్రతి ఒకేషన్కి మన కళామందిర్లో షాపింగ్ చేయండి. చాలా బడ్జెట్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ అండి. వీ హ్యావ్ అవర్ ఆన్లైన్ షాపింగ్. Follow us on Instagram Kalamandir Fashions, Facebook, YouTube Kalamandir. Our stores are located at Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka. Don't miss our everyday lives.